Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the laser eyes effect on CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your photo you like to edit on. You can select your video also. Alright, I'm going to open my project and I have been added one photo here. And to make the laser eyes effect, you can select the effect. So click on effect button and select body effect and scroll to the right till you find superpowers. Scroll down so you can find the laser eyes 2. Just click on it and click on it again to adjust filters, intensity, and the color. Just click check mark. Go. So it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.